Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by narrowing your market down to 1 to 3 niches so your keyword list stays relevant. Once done, open Helium 10 and launch Black Box or Magnet, select the marketplace and product category, and input a price range. Make sure to apply filters for monthly sales, price, and review count. This immediately reduces noise and surfaces terms that drive conversions. This step saves time and steers you to realistic keywords, rather than chasing overly broad or impossible targets. Next, you expand and validate by feeding seed keywords into Magnet and exporting the top suggestions as a CSV so you can manipulate lists efficiently. Then, analyze search volume, trending percentage, and CPC to prioritize high-volume, lower-competition terms that fit your margins. Once you have candidates, run Cerebro on best-selling competitor Asin to reverse-engineer keywords and reveal gaps you can exploit. At this stage, refine by relevance and intent. Focus on terms buyers use, not just high-traffic words. Finally, you refine and prioritize into primary, secondary, and long-tail tiers, assigning bids and placement priority based on expected ROI. Once done, import the selected keywords into Listing Builder to optimize titles and bullets, and into PPC campaigns for targeted testing. Use Keyword Tracker to monitor rank and movement. Make sure to run a short test period, then adjust bids and listing copy based on conversion data. If results stall, check misspellings and negative keywords. That single fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.